Right now, my personal life is in a really hard season, and most days I just get a small window to actually work. If I sat down and tried to build the perfect system today, it wouldn't make it to Friday. And if you're like me or my clients, you might relate to this. Every time you try to fix your whole business in one weekend, it falls apart again in a few weeks. And you're right back where you started. Except now you've burned a weekend you didn't even really have in the first place. If you're new here, I'm Samantha. I help business owners and ADHD entrepreneurs build things that actually survive real life, not just a good day. So here's what I actually do when I have basically no time and nothing built yet. So before we get into it, I do want to say one thing. You do not need the full system today, not even close. Most people stall out because they're trying to build the right version before they've even started, and that's actually the thing that kills it. So today, we're not doing that. Okay, so the first thing is to pick one place everything goes the second it crosses your mind. It doesn't matter what tool. It doesn't need a name yet. It just needs folders. It just needs to exist. So where's that place for you right now? Let me know in the comments. Are you a sticky note person or a 100 open tabs person, or do you have a tool you sometimes use? I want to know, really. Right now, not having this is seriously costing you. It's the client follow up you forgot, the idea you had in the shower that's gone now, the task you redo because you can't remember if you already did it. So get it all into one place. That's it for step one. Pretty simple, right? Okay, if you want this part basically handed to you, I do have a workshop called Get Your Business Out of Your Head and Into Asana. It walks you through getting everything out of your brain and into one spot fast. I'll link it below when you're ready for the fastest way to do exactly what we're talking about right now. It's a very small investment and a really quick workshop, but it will really help you get your stuff out of your head. Once things have a place to land, give yourself 3 big buckets: client work, marketing, and admin. That's it for now. Not 10 categories, not a color coded rainbow, just 3. The point isn't to make it pretty at this stage, it's so you actually know where to look without having to think about it. Talk about saving time and mental energy. Now look for the one thing that's actually costing you. Not the most impressive fix, but the one thing that's actually costing you the most. Whether that's in money, time, or mental energy. Maybe it's a missed follow up that already cost you a client, or maybe it's redoing a task because you forgot you'd already done it. Fix that one thing properly and leave everything else alone for now. Check 2 things: what's new and what's actually due today. That's the whole habit. In whatever tool you use, there's some version of this. For me, that's my inbox and my tasks in Asana. This is the part that actually makes it stick, by the way, not the structure, the habit. Because in order for a system to work, you have to actually use it. If you want more of this kind of thing, real systems for capacity, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video. And now I'm going to tell you something most business content won't tell you to do. Stop. Don't add the automations yet. You're not ready for it. Don't build the dashboard. Don't make it pretty. That stuff is for later when you actually have the capacity for it and you already have this stuff built for that stuff to run off of. Right now, you just need something that won't fall apart in 3 weeks. That's what you have. The reason we stop here isn't because more doesn't matter. It's because this is the foundation, and the foundation only holds if you actually set it up before you build on top of it. Once this feels solid, that's when you can make it fancy or add automations on top of it, if and when you have the capacity to do so. Now, here's what happens once this actually feels solid. You'll start noticing there's a next layer underneath those 3 buckets, a real structure, not just containers for everything living inside of them. I built that too. Categories, projects, all of it laid out in this video right here. So go check that one out next. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.